Hello, friend. Mormo here. Today I'm eating Beehive fully loaded cheese that has whiskey in it. I got it at a reduced price. It was only $2.99, regular price $5.99, but it's called fully loaded cheese and it does have whiskey in it. And I'm pretty excited to eat some premium cheese here. So it's like comes in pretty serious packaging, so it's going to take me a minute to get it out of the package. I think that's why I brought a knife with me. But I'm definitely stoked to be eating some quality, highbrow, fancy cheese. And I went on the Beehive website. I'll put a link in the description where you can check out their website. They have a real nice website, and you can order the cheese there and learn about what's the best way to eat the cheese and everything. Oops. Darn it. I messed up the cheese a little bit, but that's all right. So here we go. Let me give it a taste. Oh, wow. It's really good. It's got a strong taste. Um, you can taste the whiskey in it and real good cheese flavor. It's I'm not even sure what kind of cheese it is. Let me search on the website. Fully loaded is fortified with rye whiskey, bold and spicy with hints of cinnamon, anise, and honey. The rye whiskey imparts a complex kick to Beehive's creamy Irish style cow's milk cheese. Enjoy fully loaded with salami or on a chicken avocado sandwich. Pair with a dark ale or a medium bodied red wine. Perfect for entertaining. Choose from a 4 ounce or a 12-ounce cut of fully loaded. We'll make a loaded addition to your cheese board. Hint: 12-ounce cuts of cheese will accommodate between 12 to 16 guests. Wow, that's awesome. And it is pretty good cheese. So it's an Irish milk cheese, I guess. I like it. I enjoy it. Definitely tasty cheese. Makes me wish I had some salami, like it said on the website. That probably would be delicious. A delicious way to eat this cheese. Oh no, I'm on the wrong channel. Gosh darn it. Oh well.